Okay, this is the next video in our 2-minute Python videos. In this video we're going to talk about inputs. An input is essentially where the computer program asks a question and the user has to input some information. They have to enter some information. Now in the last video we saw that we could set up a variable. So in this situation I can set up a variable called A, and I can write the word input and put a pair of brackets, some inverted commas, and I can ask a question. What is your name? And close the brackets, close the inverted commas, and there we go, we've got an input statement. And what happens is when I run this program, it'll ask me to save. When I run the program, it'll say, what is your name? And the user can put in whatever their name is. Now, that's an input statement. That's all it is the word input. But at the moment, we're inputting my name into the variable A, but we're not doing anything with it. Okay, so what we could write is we could write A equals input, what is your name? And then on the next line, we could write a print statement that says something like, nice to meet you, close the inverted commas, put a comma, and then put the input statement, their variable in. So here I'm putting the letter A in, which holds the information from my input statement, and it should print nice to meet you, Nick. Right, so let's run that again. Run. Okay, what is your name? And we write Nick, and it should say nice to meet you, Nick. So here you can see we've got an input statement which takes information from the user, puts it into a variable called A, and then we print a print statement that says something and then uses that variable A. So that's a simple input statement.